Hi, I'm Carrie Palaio, Director of Advancement, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to Notre Dame Junior-Senior High School. Founded in 1960 by the Zavarian brothers, we have a rich history of both academic and athletic success. At Notre Dame, our goal is to provide a challenging and dynamic college preparatory program, enriched by opportunities in the arts, athletics, and community service. Our students are exposed to an abundance of opportunities, from the diversity of our academic and extracurricular programs to the spiritual opportunities for service and immersion in campus ministry. However, what makes our school unique is our Notre Dame mission of creating family on campus. Our students come to us from all over the Mohawk Valley, but when they get here, they are immediately welcomed into our family and encouraged to find their unique place at our school. Notre Dame is a place where you can feel at home, a place where you have a chance to be yourself and explore your dreams. At this time, some of our students, teachers, and parents would like to share their thoughts and feelings about our Notre Dame.
Here at Notre Dame, there are so many programs for really everyone. It's a very well-rounded school. There's kids who can participate in the musical, which every year gets so many different types of kids involved, not only acting, but backstage work. And we have other programs such as campus ministry, which does a lot of community service, but it's brought back to the school. So you can do some of it here and some outreach, which really makes you feel like you matter, not only as an individual here, but also out into your own community.
I believe our design and modeling programs and our automation and robotics programs are preparing our students for 21st century jobs. When they graduate high school, kids who've taken these classes will have a step up on other students who have not.
I feel that faith and values starts at home. What Notre Dame does, for my child anyways, is reinforces what's so important to my husband and I as parents in our house. It's blossomed her faith and her values, especially her faith. That is important.
I think the thing that impresses me most about Notre Dame is how the student body is one community, and they all pull for each other. Also, if you are ever here when they are changing classes, it's probably the most orderly school that you'll ever see. And that learning begins as soon as that bell rings, and it's taught throughout until the end of the class.
I like being a student at Notre Dame because there's smaller classroom sizes, and if you have a question for a teacher, they would work with you individually if you needed help on something and if you didn't understand them.
At Notre Dame, everybody's a lot more friendly, and it's great because it's like a family here.
Here at Notre Dame, our athletic programs have a strong tradition. We offer 19 different sports for our student athletes all across the board, from the fall season all the way to the spring.
My favorite activities is definitely being on the football and baseball teams, but I like ROTC a lot too. That's one of my favorites.
Notre Dame NJROTC's program, it consists of students from 9th through 12th grade, and it's a citizenship/leadership program. And we do that through multiple facets. So we do it through academics, we do it through military-style drill, we do Cyber Patriot, which is a cybersecurity team. We'll teach them physics about buoyancy through how a submarine goes into the water. We'll teach them about aerodynamics and how a plane flies, and how we get to do those type of things. So it's a naval science program, but it's everything from leadership through physics and management and history. So it covers a broad range of topics.
Notre Dame gives me so many opportunities and options when celebrating my faith. With the religion classes, there's so many different kinds and variations they give you here. I was taught morality one year. One year I was taught what is right and wrong and ethical reasons, where there were full debates between students and the teachers. And for example, this year I'm doing world religions, which gives me an aspect of not only Catholicism, but also religions like Buddhism and Taoism and other parts of the world that make me feel really interconnected, not only with my individual faith, but as a faith as general.
So my best friend had said, go to the orientation. Just go, check it out, and see what you think. Within the first 5-10 minutes, we looked at each other, we said, we're sold. That's where she's gonna go. We set her up for the shadowing. She was thrilled. She was so, so happy, and we've had no regrets since.
If you want your child to experience a Roman Catholic education, Notre Dame is the perfect place for your child. They will learn about God, putting God first in their lives. They will have a sense of family, and they will give service to their community, and those things will be with them through their college experience and the rest of their lives.
Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about Notre Dame and how you can become part of our family.